Hey, Red Group, it's NTI Day 30. It is May 5th on a Tuesday, and we are going to continue to look at categorizing polygons. Now, I will say today is going to be a really easy day. This video is going to be quick. You guys have done a phenomenal job of turning in your NTI work. I cannot brag on you guys enough. You're understanding it. You're going in depth. You're doing all your work. You're turning it in on time. You guys are awesome. So I'm going to try to make your lives easy as we go into NTI in the last couple of days. So the directions are: create your own polygon categories by categorizing shapes that have similar attributes. Must have 3 examples of each category. Answer the questions on the slide to validate why you chose those particular shapes. Then you're going to share it with me when you're done. So pretty much this whole video, I'm just going to explain what I want you to do today, and that will be your assessment. Okay, so I went ahead and I made an example. So you'll be given all these slides, and you'll be given your own Google slide. It says title of category. You get to come up with any title you want. It could be shapes that have intersecting lines, shapes that have perpendicular lines, shapes that have acute angles, shapes that have obtuse angles. It could be parallelograms. It can be polygons, if you wanted it to be. Any category you can think of in a way that you could categorize different shapes. So my example was quadrilaterals. I went ahead and I had 3 examples because you have to have 3 different shapes. I have 3 examples that are a quadrilateral. And the question is, which shape did you add to this category and why? So I answered the question. I chose to place the rectangle, trapezoid, and square in the category quadrilaterals because they all have 4 sides. So you just have to validate why you chose those 3 categories and how you know they fit in those categories. I just said they all have 4 sides. That's what a quadrilateral is. So you guys get to get creative with this, come up with your own categories, create your own shapes. Now remember, the main thing with this is, remember, there's an undo button. Okay, you can undo anything that you just did. And this is your shapes tool. Okay, so you can drag any shape that you want in there and make it as big or small as you want. That's really the 2 main tools that you're going to need to know. You're going to create 4 different categories. After you're done creating those 4 different categories, you have 3 in each, and you answer the question. You're going to share it with me. So today's instructions are: number 1, get a green light on reflex. Number 2, you're going to watch this Ed puzzle, which is going to be a quickie, and it's just explaining how you do everything. And number 3, you're going to do the Google Slides and share it with me. Okay? Great job. Continue to keep up the good work. Love you. Miss you. See you tomorrow.